Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will apologize immediately for the lighting. It's not the best right now. I got a later start on this than I wanted to. I had a math final today, which don't think I did excellent on. Let's just start that intro over because that's just full of sadness. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Sorry for the lighting. I got a later start. Sorry for the lighting. I got a later start on this video than I wanted to, but I really wanted to get it up for you as soon as possible because I know people are going to start getting their boxes soon and people are going to want to see spoilers. And I didn't even tell you what the video is yet, but I'm sure you gathered it from the title and the thumbnail. Today's video obviously is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm very excited. As you may notice if you've been here for a while, I'm not in my BOXYCHARM unboxing room. I no longer work in that location, so I have to film at home after work now, which is why the lighting's not great. But here's the thing. I want to get it up for you right away. If it's a little bit dimmer, but you get to see the spoilers sooner, I think that's a trade-off. Hopefully, with any luck, next month it'll be better. It'll be better than it currently is. Hopefully next month everything in life will be better than it currently is. Anyways, for those of you who do not know, BOXYCHARM is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month BOXYCHARM here takes $21 out of your account and then they send you this box to whatever address you would like it sent to, and it has 4 to 5 full-size products for you to try and test and hopefully love. I will link down below where you can sign up in case you are interested after seeing this unboxing, but I'm sure if you're here you've already got BOXYCHARM, but either way, I will link it. So I think it's time that we start Why can't I speak English? I mean, like, I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't understand myself. First language. So I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start doing about it. What do you think? You want me to do this? You want to get into this box? You want to do that? Let's do that right now. Right. If you would like to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, just keep on watching. Let's get into it. Now, so I already did open it a bit and I took the liberty of going through and adding everything up and marking down what is cruelty-free and what is not. And we'll be happy to know that everything in this month's box is cruelty-free. Now let's get into the actual products and get to swishing and swashing and doing and loving. The first thing I see in the box is this guy right here. This retails for $19 and it is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Crayon. And mine is in the shade Lilac. Okay. So it's just like a little pen crayon, if you will. You scroll it up. Scroll it up, is that right? I don't know. And it's just like that. And here's a swatch of the color. That's kind of pretty. I actually do rock shades like this, not often, but that has just enough pink in it that I think it might not wash me out or make my teeth look yellow. So I am excited about this. I don't think I've ever tried a Lorac lip product. I don't know if I've tried a Lorac product in general. I'm a really bad YouTuber. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is this little guy right here. So this here also retails for $19, and this is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Eyeliner. So it's one of those eyeliners. You saw them. The one that MAC came out with and then L'Oreal, one of those came out with. It's the Roll Pizza Wheel Liner. I was curious to try one. Didn't want to buy it because I don't think it'll work. But to get it in a box and be able to play with something fun like that, I am excited for. And again, Butter London is cruelty-free, so that's a plus. So, I mean, the box is $21. This is $19, the other thing's $19. Even if you like one item in the box, it's usually worth it. And then you get to try fun things like this that you might not normally spend your money on since it seems silly, but now you get to try it. And I don't know about you, but I like to try weird and cool makeup, so I'm still happy to have it. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is this, and I'm so excited. If you have been a subscriber for any significant amount of time, or I mean, I guess you would have to watch the videos too. If you've watched any of my videos, you would know that I love getting makeup brushes in my subscriptions because I hate to freaking buy them. So getting these makes me happy as a clam because I can't stop collecting them, but I can't force myself to buy them. So in the past, BOXYCHARM has had some really good brushes. So these are from Alamar Cosmetics. We recently got that one palette, the yellow one, in a BOXYCHARM from the same brand. This came with a blending brush, like a packing brush, and a flat shader brush here. And this little brush kit retails for $18, which is a pretty good deal. That's like $6 a brush, which isn't crazy priced for makeup brushes. So I'm happy to have them. Thank you, BOXYCHARM, for always hooking a sister up with some brushes. Okay, the next thing in the box I'm really excited about. It is a Laura Geller blush. I have never tried anything from Laura Geller, and I hear nothing but good things. So this blush here is in the shade Tropic Hues, and it retails for $28. This is their Baked Blush and Brighten blush, and the color looks so pretty. I would never spend $28 on a blush. Well, I say never, but I also said I'd never buy a high-end highlighter, so maybe I would, but I've recently really gotten into blush, and look at that shade. Come on. And it is pigmented, and it looks like it's going to be a glowy blush, which I have been vibing with heavy, so I'm very excited. And $28, that's more than the price of the box. So if you've wanted to try these blushes, now you get a discount plus a bunch of other stuff. And the last thing in the box is a eyeshadow palette, which BOXYCHARM is known to hook us up with eyeshadow palettes. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, which we have gotten items from them in BOXYCHARM in the past, and honestly, I have liked everything I've tried. The very first like high-end highlighter I think I remember buying, at least that I can remember, was actually theirs. I can't remember the shade, but it's the only one they have, and it's beautiful. This is their eyeshadow palette, and does it have like a shade on it? The Nightingale eyeshadow palette. Okay, first off, look at their packaging, that little bird. Look at their packaging. I opened this today and I was like, hell yes. So I'm not like a cool toned person in any way, but it's kind of refreshing to see a cool tone palette. Like, we see so many warm tones, and when you look at it, at first you might be like, oh, that's a little bit boring, but what's the last palette you bought that looked like this? You know what I mean? It's gonna actually give you variety that you haven't had recently, or at least that I haven't had recently. So I was really excited to have this because like I want to rock some cool tone eyeshadows. I want to. I think it has to do with like the Naked palette being discontinued, and everybody's doing those looks, and I'm like, shit, like I want to do a cool tone look because that's like a cool tone palette, you know? And this eyeshadow palette retails for $35, which isn't even that bad for an eyeshadow palette, but to get it for $21 is even better. Don't you think? I think so. I think so. Okay, so I did the calculations, and the overall retail value of the box this month is $119, and you spend $21. So in my opinion, as I've said in all my BOXYCHARM videos, I think it's a really good deal. If you do as well, the link will be there, but it is your choice if you think it's a good deal, if it seems like it fits your life. To me it does. I love growing my makeup collection. I found a ton of things that I really, really love. So for me, it is good. I just realized I didn't swatch any shades for you. What am I doing? Let me give you a couple at least. So those are 3 of the shades right there. Nice, cool tone shades. I'm really excited to put this on my eyes. I'm probably gonna use this tomorrow. Let me know down below if you want to see a video dedicated to that palette to try it out, put it on my eyes. I would be happy to do so. And anyways, guys, that completes this video. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for the shitty lighting. I am, though. I'm sorry for the crappy lighting. Every time I upload a video where the lighting's not great, I'm not happy, but at the same time, when it comes to the BOXYCHARM videos, I know that they're time sensitive and people want to see them. I start searching like the first of the month. I'm like, BOXYCHARM spoilers, BOXYCHARM spoilers. So these are some of my favorite videos to watch. They're some of my favorite videos to film. So even though the lighting's not great, I'm sorry. I hope you still liked it. I hope you still got what you wanted out of it. And next month it'll be better. So you should subscribe and come back and see it then, because I promise it's better. And I upload every month because I typically get my boxes fairly early. Also, once I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, and you'll need to be subscribed. So, free subscription to possibly win free makeup. I'm just saying, sounds like a no-brainer to me. Please. Okay. If you are interested in more of my day-to-day, you can follow me on my other social media. Bradderstein is for makeup-related stuff, and Fatterstein is for fitness-related stuff. I'm on Instagram stories 24/7. Like, that's my shib. So if you want to be up to date, that's where you want to be. I do Twitter too. Twitter's Bradderstein, and I'm trying to get more into that, but Instagram stories is where it's at. You are the best in the whole wide world. You are the best in the whole wide world.
Do you want kind of pasta sauce? Do you want?
I think we only have the one. This wasn't planned. Well, okay. It wasn't planned for the video. He was going to bring me wine because I've had a rough couple of months. And today was particularly bad, so I'm just gonna drink my problems away because I'm an adult and I can do as I please. Ugh. Anyways, that completes this video. All the things I said still apply with the subscribing and the following on social media. Sorry, I got distracted. Wine. brain hot husband, what are you gonna do? But if you are still watching videos, as I suspect you are, why don't you click on one of these videos over here? These are links to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. You should do it. Come hang out. Have a glass of wine. Kick back. Be an adult or a younger adult or a child or, I don't know, whatever. I would love to have you stick around, and I very much appreciate you hanging out at all. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time if you come back, which I hope you will. Bye, guys.